Good morning, I'm Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Zomato buys Paytm Entertainment ticket businesses for $244 million. Samsung launches Odyssey OLED G8 and G9 in a new sizes. Gigabyte Aerosus 32-inch and 27-inch QD OLED gaming monitors launched in India. WhatsApp introduces new feature. A4-digit username pin to combat spam. Rajesh Nambiar quits as Cognizant India's head to become NASSCOM president. Microsoft introduced Unified Teams app for personal, work and education accounts. Motorola launches Moto G45 5G, the segment fastest 5G smartphone powered by Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor at just Rs 9,999 and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what does CPU stand for, and the answer is Central Processing Unit. And it's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: what is another word for application? Think you know the answer? We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin, so stay tuned to see if you got it right. Zomato has acquired Paytm's entertainment ticketing business for $244 million, aiming to expand its going out services. The acquisition includes the ticketing for movies, sports, and events, making it one of the largest M&A deals among Indian tech firms. Paytm app will continue hosting the ticketing services for up to 12 months, with 280 employees transitioning to Zomato. The ticketing business is dominated to Book My Show, with Zomato now set to challenge its market share. Zomato's stock has soared over 100% this year, with its quick commerce business Blinkit valued at $15.4 billion by UBS. Samsung unveiled the Odyssey OLED G8 and G9 monitor at Gamescom 2024 in Cologne, Germany. The Odyssey 3D monitor offers glasses free 3D view using innovative light field display LED technology. The monitor uses built-in stereo camera for eye tracking and view mapping enhanced 3D depth perception. Available in 27-inch 37 sizes. It boasts 4K resolution, 1Hz DTG response time and 165Hz refresh rate for smooth gameplay. The Odyssey 3D features an ergonomic design with a height adjustment stand edges, tilt options, and include DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.1 ports. Gigabyte has introduced two new Asus QD OLED gaming monitors in India, the F032UP2P and F227Q3. The 32-inch is the world's first DP 2.1 Trackle gaming monitor, offering 80 Gbps bandwidth without display stream compression and support daisy-chain configuration. The 27-inch offers a 360Hz refresh rate, QHD resolution, true black 400 brightness, and 0.03 ms DTG response time, powered by QD OLED technology. Both monitors include a tactile resolution switch for quick access to different display sizes and a night vision feature for improved visibility in a low light condition. WhatsApp latest beta release introduced a username PIN system to combat spam. User can now set a 4-digit PIN in addition to their username to enhance security and prevent unwanted messages. The PIN system aims to significantly reduce spam by ensuring that unknown user cannot message you without knowing both your username and PIN. Current conversation with the contact you have interacted with previously will not be impacted by the new system. The username PIN feature is currently in beta testing, with no configured timeline for its official release. Rajesh Nambiar has resigned as chairman and managing director of Cognizant India to become the president of NASSCOM. Rajesh Warrier will succeed Nambiar, taking over as global head of operation on September 2 and as chairman of managing director from October 1. Nambiar joined Cognizant in November 2020 and has been NASSCOM chairman since April 2023. More than 70% of Cognizant 347 to 700 employees are based in India. Cognizant ended 2023 with $19.4 billion in revenue, in 0.4% decline from the previous year. Wherein previously EVP Infosys will oversee operation, delivery excellence and workforce planning in his new role at Cognizant. Microsoft launches a unified team app that merges personal, work and education accounts in a single platform. User can switch between accounts easily by clicking their profile picture in the top right corner. The new app allows viewing multiple accounts side by side. Within the app, user can join meeting without signing but can switch account before joining a group meeting or room. Windows 11 had a chat feature linked to the taskbar via the Personal Teams app, which Microsoft later removed. Enterprise admin signs in restrictions will still apply within the unified app. Motorola introduced the Moto G45 5G in India, powered by the Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor, priced at Rs 9,999. The phone feature is a vegan leather finished in a 3 Pantone validated colors, making it one of the thinnest and the lightest in the segment. It boasts a 6.5-inch 120Hz punch hole display with the Gorilla Glass 3 protection, offering a smooth gameplay and enhanced viewing. Equipped with a 13 5G bands in VoNR 4x4 and NeMo and a 4-carrier aggregation. It is the segment fastest 5G performer. The Moto G45 5G includes a 50 megapixel quad pixel camera and 16 megapixel selfie camera for high quality videos and photos. This is Renu Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Boy for all tech updates.